Follow the steps on how to make a beige marble texture like this in Photoshop. Previously, search for the color code beige in a web search. Next, open Photoshop and create a new document. You can follow this size. Click this icon and select solid color. Copy and paste the color code. This layer can be deleted. Add a new layer. Then go to Filter, Render, and select Clouds. Go back to Filter, Render, and click Difference Clouds. Then open Image, Adjustments, and select Equalize. Go back to Adjustments and select Levels. You can adjust it like this. Change the mode to linear burn. Hold Shift to select all layers. Then press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Click this and change the mode to screen. Copy the color code. Double-click and paste here. Click this layer and change the mode to color burn. Lower the fill percentage. Select this layer. Edit. Transform and rotate 180 degrees. Hold Shift and select all layers. Then right-click and link layers. Make sure Show Transform Controls is checked to easily resize the texture. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.